Presenting the Speedy Stage from K-Park Recreation. The model SPSTG2023 is a self-contained, easy towing 600 square foot stage that can be ready to go in 30 minutes or less. Take a look at this easy setup process. Once the trailer is unhooked, the tongue retracts out of the way for safety. Then we remove the cross bracing and tie-down straps and level the center section. Bubble levels on the frame allow for accurate positioning and stability. The waterproof box at the rear contains the charger and hand controller. Lowering each of the stage sections is a one-button operation, and once fully extended, the stage wings can be leveled with screw jacks shown here. Repeat this process for the rear section, add the stairs, and it's ready to go. It's that easy. Movable railings and stairs can be used on either side of the wings. Automatic truss and jack systems on the movable wings. 4 20,000-pound drop leg chassis jacks, aluminum decking and wing framing. Approximate towing height 11 foot 8 inches. Towing width is 96 inches. Overall weight is 9,380 pounds and the tongue weight of 1,100 pounds. Solid steel 10-inch I-beam for the main frame. A spare tire rack is included. A spare tire is optional. Electric brakes on all 4 wheels. LED brake signal and marker lights. Tandem 6,000-pound axles. The Speedy Stage is made with superior craftsmanship from top-quality galvanized steel and aluminum for years of reliable service. For more information on our highway towable Speedy Stage or Speedy Bleachers, visit us online or call us at 1-877-KayPark.